rolling lumpia bento with the dynamite lumpia. Is it your first time? But you had it before, like somewhere else?
I've had lumpia over in San Antonio, but it was alright. But like, I want to keep trying it. I want to see.
Hope you like it.
I hope I do too. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, enjoy.
Enjoy. Salamat. Thank you.
Huh?
That's fire.
Which one did you try?
This one,
The pancit?
the pancit, bro.
You should try the lumpia.
That's so fire, bro. Oh, sorry.
Here's your sampler. And your pancit. Have you had it before?
No, it was good.
First time?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you guys enjoy it.
Thank you.
And we got cantaloupe drinks
Thank you.
and choice of straw.
Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Have a great day.
Here's our 6 lumpia boxes.
Perfect.
I did not close it because it's gonna get soggy.
That's fine. I'll close it up. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Guys, take care. We'll see you again.
Pancit bowl. What's that?
My pancit.
1 lumpia. And 2 of our loaded lumpias.
All right.
Got the whole fam. Awesome. Thank you all very much. Enjoy.
Thanks.
How are you guys? Tapos pa-birthday greetings po.
Happy birthday.
Here's your 2 regular lumpia. Have you had it before? Have you had our lumpia before? First time?
First time, but I see you on Facebook, so
Thank you so much.
taga-rally kami.
Ready kayo? Wow, thank you. Enjoy.
Thank you.
2 orders of our lumpia. Thank you. Enjoy.
See you again. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy. There we go.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Enjoy. 1 order of lumpia.
Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy. 1 loaded, no jalapenos. Awesome. Thank you. Enjoy. 1 lumpia.
So much.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Just one order of lumpia.
Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy. Lumpia. Thank you. Enjoy. Have you had it before? Here's your sampler
Awesome. Thank you.
and the pork belly adobo.
Thank you. Looks good.
2 pineapple juice. Have you had it before?
No, this is my first time.
First time?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow.
Tried to get the sampler. Had to get I'll take yellow.
Hope you guys enjoy it.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Enjoy.
Thank you.
And first customer of the day, so it's free today. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I gotta pay still.
Sir,
I gotta pay.
first customer.
Okay, first customer.
It's free.
Oh, it's free.
Yes, sir.
Hey guys, well thank you.
Thank you so
Lumpia.
much. Yes.
All right, appreciate it, guys.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Awesome. Thank you.
So, ayan guys, yung last order natin, 5 orders ng regular lumpia. Ayan guys. Ayan, 5 orders ng regular lumpia ang ating last order of the day. So, bibigyan natin siya mga karunings ng extra lumpia for today. Ayan guys, another sampler ang order natin mga karolings. Ayan, ang dami nating bacon guys. Yan ang nagpapasarap sa ating lumpia sampler. Or actually sa loaded lumpia natin mga karolings. Ayan, $20. Meron na kayong 9 pirasong lumpia. 3 loaded, 3 dynamite, 3 regular.
Good. How are you?
Good, good. What can I get you today?
Can I get the loaded lumpia but no jalapeno on it?
Gotcha.
And the pork belly?
Gotcha. 1 pork belly adobo, 1 loaded lumpia with no jalapenos.
Please.
Gotcha. And a good name for the order?
Carrie, do you have drinks?
We have our pineapple drink. Yes, ma'am. Our tropical pineapple juice for $4.
Pineapple or what?
Our tropical pineapple juice is $4.
That's the only drink you have? Sure, I'll try it.
Alicia!
Happy Tuesday mga ka-rollings! This is Cecilia and welcome to Rolling Lumpia Food Truck dito sa Jacksonville, North Carolina. Napakahirap bumalik sa trabaho pag galing ka sa napakasarap at napakasayang bakasyon. Ayan na nga mga ka-rollings, kababalik lang natin galing ng Pilipinas at ng Japan. And ayan guys, yung first event natin June 1st and then tomorrow and Thursday meron tayong lunch set up sa loob ng base. Kaya kailangan natin gumawa ng maraming lumpia mga ka-rollings. At sa mga nagtatanong guys, kung para saan daw ba yung white na lumpia mat na ginagamit natin, guys, para yan maging consistent yung size ng inyong mga lumpia. Para yung kanyang haba ay magpantay-pantay. At ang ginagamit natin para sa ating pang-seal ay yung egg white. Well, thank you for watching mga ka-rollings and don't forget to share and follow. Enjoy!
Hey mga ka-rollings, happy Saturday. Ayan guys, balik rolling lumpia na tayo. And nakapagbalot na tayo ng 400 lumpia for tomorrow. And kailangan pa natin ng another 200. So ayan guys, dahil konti na lang yung kulang natin, gumamit na lang tayo ng langgana para mas mabilis at hindi ako maghugas ng maraming gadgets. So, ayan guys, sa mga nagtatanong pa rin, ano yung mixture natin for our lumpia? Siyempre, meron tayong ground pork, meron tayong carrots, onions, cabbage, and yung sa ating seasonings, meron tayong salt, pepper, parmesan, and mozzarella cheese. And guys, ayan mga ka-rollings, hahaluin na natin siya. And doon pa lang sa mga nagtatanong guys, kung yung cabbage hindi nagbamasa yung ating mixture, hindi naman siya namamasa mga ka-rollings. So, ayan.
Happy Saturday mga ka-rollings! This is Cecilia and welcome to Rolling Lumpia Food Truck dito sa Jacksonville, North Carolina. And guys, balik US na tayo, balik trabaho na tayo mga ka-rollings. Yeah, for today's video, I am going to show you how we mix our lumpia mixture. Sa mga nagtatanong pa rin guys kung ano yung laman ng ating lumpia, syempre meron tayong ground pork, cabbage, carrots, garlic, onion, mozzarella and parmesan cheese, eggs, salt, and pepper. And mga ka-rollings, nag-mix tayo ng 13 pounds. Siguro makakagawa tayo dito ng mga 450 pieces. Thank you all for watching and please don't forget to share and follow my page. Enjoy!
Hey mga ka-rollings, ayan guys, today is Thursday, nandito tayo sa loob ng base. Wala tayo sa regular na Camp Lejeune base na pinupuntahan natin. Nandito tayo sa isang base. But dahil umuulan mga ka-rollings, ayan, wala pa tayong customer. 11 o'clock na, wala pang tao. So, kakain na lang tayo ng pancit guys. So, ayan mga ka-rollings ha, kung kailan tayong nag-start kumain, saka naman dumating yung mga customers, o diba? So, mamaya na tayo ulit kakain guys, dahil meron tayong mga customers.